Okay, and try this again. That's a sketchy camera holder. Okay. So, oh, look at that. I found the little plastic I was missing. Anyway. Just want to point out that on these handles, let's see if you can see this. These are the bores that support the wood when you're cutting. The longer end of it faces forward on the saw. It has... Sorry, I'm juggling stuff here. It has a little screw on here to stop you from pulling it out too far once you get it in place. Okay, so it just sits there like that. And then the little stand, doing this, trying to make sure I've got you in the camera, slides over the bolt. And then tiny little washer. And a wing nut. Sorry, I'm not very good at this sort of wing nut thing because my hands are filled with arthritis. That's as good as it's going to get, and that's not going anywhere. And then you repeat the process on the other side. And I have to move you over. I'm sitting on my kitchen floor, so just bear with me here. Okay. Now I can't reach. Hang on a second. Let me figure this out, the camera angle. Yeah, you can't laugh at yourself. Who can you laugh at? All right, so long side facing forward. Get in there. Washer. And wing nut. Got it on there and I need to... Right, tight, left, loose, I guess. And that's good and solid. And I did find out how to release this. Let's take you off this stand. And if you're wondering why the camera was wobbly, yeah, really cheap camera holder. Got like the dollar store. Anyway, was trying to figure out how to release the arm earlier. You have to hold down on the arm, and then there's this pin right here that you pull out once you're putting down some pressure on it. Okay, so I'm going to try to turn this thing over. By the way, dewalt, if you're listening, do all of us people with poor eyesight a favor. Use bigger font. I mean, seriously. Look at the size of this font compared to my finger. Bigger fonts, please. That is one of my gripes against manuals. All right. I know somebody's probably out there laughing their butts off, but I don't care. Oy, he's a beast. Okay. So, yeah, that's the best angle I'm gonna get, I guess. So you push down, and then you have to reach under, pull, and it comes up. And then, I'm supposed to bring you down here with me. At some point, I will have my workshop done, and I'll have the whole table assembly, da 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 da. In the meantime, I mean, the gauges are easy to read, and you can see the bevel in there, and if I can reach it, it just slips in place, and you can adjust it to hold your wood in place. You can adjust the guides. Slide in and out. There's a button on there to stop it from sliding front to back if you don't want to do that. It would be really nice if it had the measurements along the front here to make things easier for you. So that is it for the moment. Now I need to take measurements and try to figure out how to make a luggage cart for this thing, because I gotta tell you, this puppy's heavy and I gotta drag him around my yard. Talk to you guys later.